Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create the best trading strategy using AI, that is ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. So we're going to use both of them to create these strategies, and later we will compare the results to see which one will give us the most profitable trading strategy. So hang in there with me, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start. Yeah. So what we're going to need for this video is this is my trading view. I'm in here in trading view, and we're going to need ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT out here. Kindly go to openai.com, create an account, and you're going to have access to ChatGPT. And also go to deepseek.com, create an account. You're going to have access to DeepSeek AI. So this is ChatGPT. This is DeepSeek. This is my trading view. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's go. So I'm in my trading view. So I'm going to come down here to Pine Editor. So this is Pine Editor. This is where all the codes are going to be. First of all, you don't need any code. The AI is going to do all of that for you. So I come in my code editor. I just make a random click here. Control A or Command A if you're on a Mac computer. It selects everything here and then you hit delete. So all the code that's already in TradingView's Pine Editor, the code editor, is gone. Now we're going to go into ChatGPT and DeepSeek. They're going to create these strategies for us. They're both going to give us the code. And what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and put the code in here. That's all we're doing. Yeah. So, okay, let me do it this way. Let me duplicate this tab. Duplicate. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to do it. So let me swap this one here. So this is ChatGPT and this is what I'm going to use. The trading view I'm going to use. This is DeepSeek and this is the trading view I'm going to use. So everything is clean like that. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to write, please create me, or however you want to frame up your sentence. Please, yeah, don't mind my typing. Create for me the most profitable trading strategy for trading view. And let's say I want to use this to trade cryptos. So let me just add it for trading cryptos. So please create for me the most profitable trading strategy for trading view. Trading view should be one word for trading cryptos. Before I hit enter, I'll copy the same thing and put it inside DeepSeek as well. So it's all the same. Same thing here in DeepSeek. Same thing here in ChatGPT. Yeah, so I press enter here and I press enter here. So we're just waiting for results. We're waiting for the codes for both of them. ChatGPT is doing its thing. DeepSeek is doing its thing as well. Well, I think DeepSeek is giving a long explanation of what it's trying to do. I'm seeing the RSI, I'm seeing the MACD. Let me see what it's trying to tell me. I think ChatGPT is done. Well, yeah, so lately they've got a lot of new updates. So it's showing me a few things up here. But I'll just let it slide and let's focus on, yeah, just the strategy. All right, so DeepSeek is also getting ready. Yeah, it's still writing the code. But I would say ChatGPT is faster. This is just what I've seen now. I've not properly tested how fast they both are. But ChatGPT finished off quickly. I'm going to copy the code here, copy, and put it here. So you copy the code you come in the Pine editor. Before we had already deleted everything in the Pine editor. So because it's empty, I'm just going to hit paste, Control V to paste. I've pasted it there. Now, let me go to, okay, so here we go. So this is DeepSeek. This is what he gave me. So copy from DeepSeek, paste it here, Control V, paste. Let's do a little bit of analysis. Yeah. So in the ChatGPT strategy, I'm looking at things like the EMA, the RSI, and yeah, that's what I'm looking at from ChatGPT. But when I go to DeepSeek, okay, DeepSeek is also giving me the EMA. I think, yeah, it's pretty much the same kind of strategy. But when I put it on the chart, we will properly understand that. So this is what ChatGPT says. It says it focuses on trend following, and momentum trading with risk management for cryptocurrencies. So strategy overview, it says it's using the EMAs, that's the moving averages, it's using the RSI, it's using the ATR to do risk management, and it's also using position sizing based off of the account balance. So this is what it used to create that strategy. So the EMA is for detecting the trend, RSI is for momentum, the ATR is for stop loss management. Yeah. So when I go to DeepSeek, DeepSeek says the name of the strategy is called the Crypto Alpha Multi-Indicator Strategy. So apparently DeepSeek had already created a name for it. Yeah, it is what it is. So DeepSeek says it's good to use on a 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour for swing and day trading. It's all here. And it's saying it's good for BTC and Ethereum, Solana, etc. Apparently, I'm testing it on Ethereum, so that's fine. Yeah. So on the ChatGPT one, this is what is done, and then on the DeepSeek one, it took no trades. So what it means is during the testing period of this strategy, the strategy took no trades. That's the DeepSeek strategy. No worries at all, no panic. We're going to do this again. So let me just go straight to the ChatGPT one. All right. So this one made some profit actually. We're going to come back to this and analyze all of this and make it more presentable. However, let's go back to DeepSeek. So this is what I'm going to do with DeepSeek. Since the strategy took no trade, I'm going to ask DeepSeek to create me a different strategy from this one that took no trades. Let's see if that one will take some trades. So I'm going to come in here. Please create for me a different strategy from this one, apart from strategy from the one above. Let me put it that way, from the one above, which is also very profitable. As the strategy above did not take any trade. Yeah, so I've said, please create for me a different strategy from the one above. Okay, let me just leave it a different strategy. So I'm changing it to please create for me a different strategy, which is also very profitable, as the strategy above did not take any trade. Yeah. So We waiting for DeepSeek to do its thing, and hopefully, I hope this new one takes trade. So it's telling me the name of this one is Liquidity Sweep Scalper. Okay, no problem. So I've seen that it's saying it should be used on the lower time frame. So it's saying 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. On BTC, Ethereum, Solana. We're actually using Ethereum, so there shouldn't be a problem with that side of things. Yeah. So okay, it's gone through, it's fixing the codes. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so this is what it's done for us. Yeah, it still uses the RSI, the EMA, and it uses volume spikes to confirm absorption. All right, I'll copy from here and go and repaste it. So I need to come back to the Pine editor. Let me lift this up a little bit to get more space in the editor. I'm going to click anywhere in the editor, Control A, and then I'll delete everything. That was the previous code. And I'll go on the chart as well, and I'm going to delete this strategy that's already on there. So remove is out. So now I'm going to paste the new code I copied, Control Paste. I've pasted it. What I have to do now is to add to chart, which is here, add to chart. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so same thing happened. It took no trade. This is not to say that ChatGPT doesn't take trades, because I've used, DeepSeek doesn't take trades. I've done DeepSeek strategies before on this channel, and it took a lot of trades. So probably the strategies given us just did not have any traits fitting that strategy within the testing period. That's all it means. It doesn't mean it's bad. I've got videos on the channel where DeepSeek took a lot of trades and made a lot of profit. Yeah. Yeah. So in all, the DeepSeek strategy did not take any trade for the second time. I can still prompt it to give me other strategies that I know are going to take trades. But for now, let's just leave it this way. I'll go on to the ChatGPT one, make a few changes and just make it more profitable. And then in the next video, later I'm going to make another video full on DeepSeek and get more DeepSeek strategies for you guys to know. Yeah, so I'm here. This is what ChatGPT got us. It's 3.8% profitable. That's not bad. That's good. Let me expand this channel here. Yeah. So, okay. All right. So, this is what it did. It took quite a lot of trades. Yeah. There's performance. This is all the data it's got for us. And yeah, that's good, honestly. That's good. Yeah. So, let's come here. Settings. Capital. I like to make it 1K. Yeah, and then equity. Okay, let me just make it 20% of the account we're trading. Pyramid. Let me put it to 5, and I think for now that will be okay. Okay, so this is what it's saying. So with a 10K deposit, it's made this money. The rate is 98, so that's very, very profitable. Yeah, so in summary, ChatGPT gave us a profitable strategy, which is nice and easy. Yeah. But DeepSeek, the strategy it gave us did not take any trade. But later on, I'm going to create more strategies with DeepSeek on the channel. And you guys are going to see how good DeepSeek is. I'll leave things the way they are. Thank you guys. Just keep an eye on the channel. Yeah, bye.